In this video, I'll show you how to enable voicemail on Android phone. Enabling the voicemail on any Android phone is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable the voicemail on Android phone, simply go and open up the phone application from your device, and from the phone home page, go ahead and tap on this three dot line at the top left and then tap on settings from the list. And once you're here inside the settings, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the option voicemail. You just need to tap on this. Now go ahead and select the SIM card where you exactly want to set up the voicemail for. You just need to tap on that SIM card and you'll get to see the visual voicemail. So you just need to toggle on this option in order to enable this feature. But make sure the voicemail is available with that specific SIM card, otherwise this method is not gonna work. And this is how you can actually enable the voicemail on your Android phone. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.